San Juan College invites you to the Fall Student Art Exhibit, which runs from November 1st through December 9th at the Henderson Fine Arts Center Art Gallery. Piedra Vista High School ceramics teacher Travis Jensen will be awarded the President's Award of Distinction from the New Mexico Art Education Foundation for his service and commitment to art in schools. And the Durango-La Plata County Airport is looking for art proposals for 3 art installations for the new baggage claim area. You're watching the Local News Roundup, brought to you by Distill Beer Wine Spirits and Durango Motor Company. I'm Connor Shreve. The Fall Student Art Exhibit at San Juan College opens Friday, November 1st, featuring art from students and art instructors. There will be an opening reception on the 1st from 4 to 6 p.m. at the Henderson Fine Arts Center Gallery. The show will run until December 9th, so make sure to stop by when the gallery is open between 10 a.m. and 5 p.m. Travis Jensen, a ceramics teacher at Piedra Vista High School, has been awarded the President's Award of Distinction from the New Mexico Art Education Association. The award recognizes NMAEA members who have demonstrated outstanding service and who have made significant contributions to dancing art education in New Mexico schools. Jensen is one of 11 educators who will receive their awards at the NMAEA conference on November 9th at Santa Fe Community College. Jensen has been teaching with Farmington Municipal Schools since 2014 and brought 9 years of experience from previous teaching positions. The Durango-La Plata County Airport is seeking proposals for cultural murals and installations that will be featured in the new baggage claim area, part of the ongoing terminal upgrades at the airport. Aviation Director Tony Vicari says the airport is working with Durango Creative District to put together a selection committee to find pieces that represent and resonate with the cultural vibrancy of Southwest Colorado and the greater Four Corners region. The call to artists is directed at those living in the Four Corners region of Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, and Utah, and is asking for proposals for murals, paintings, wall-mounted installations, and one sculpture or 3D installation supported from the ceiling that represents the unique environmental, geographic, and/or cultural aspects of the region. Any relevance to regional history, potential for community involvement, inclusivity, and overall impact on the airport experience will be considered. Artists have until 3 p.m. November 6th to submit any questions about the project, and proposals are due by 3 p.m. December 17th. Information about the call to artists can be found on the City of Durango website. You can learn more about these stories and others online at farmingtonlocal.news. Thanks for watching this edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Connor Shreve.